Hello, this video is all about our legs. Okay, so we're gonna do a nice thorough rollout of our legs, thighs, and calf muscles. We're gonna actually start with the lower legs. So let's put our calf muscles on top of the roller, and we're just gonna do a little roll side to side here. Okay, like a windshield wiper. I'm not moving that much because boy, I just found something right away. So you want to go right at the meaty part of the muscle. All right, and then you can even scoot the roller lower on the leg, and you can even kind of press your way into it more if you desire more of that massage. I'm going to call it a massage because I don't want to use negative words here because this is not super feel good, but you're gonna roll up a little bit closer to the knees. So I do want you to get different areas of your calf muscles. You will find something, hopefully. I also want you to know that you are rolling transverse to the tissue, which is really important because we want to open up the muscles this way and not just to the grain of the muscles, okay? Now, if you have the strength here in your arms and wrist, lift your bottoms up and roll up and down the leg. Okay, so we're just sort of rinsing out what we just did. If you need, you can do hands down on the ground and just use the roller to rinse it out one leg at a time, okay? Very good. All right, let's get those hamstrings. So we're just gonna set our upper legs on. We're gonna do forward and back roll and feel little areas. Feel little areas that you feel like you wanna come to, and then I just found a little area here. I'm gonna do that transverse, right? So I'm gonna do the roll out and in, okay? So get that transverse of the tissue. You can even work all the way up towards your glutes and work all the way down towards the knees, just not on top of the back of the knee. And then let's just do a few more front and back rolls here to rinse out the muscles. Beautiful. All right, we're gonna go right to our thighs, our quadriceps. I want you to come onto the fronts of the legs here, and we're gonna get on the forearms. And I want you to relax the legs. In fact, open them up a little bit and do an external rotation. So my toes are away from each other, my heels are towards one another, and I'm gonna roll up and down to the knee and to the hip. Not over the knee, just to the knee. And this is also, you're getting some upper body work, right? So you're pushing into the floor, think plank. And then from here, we're gonna go to the fronts of the thighs. So I want you to go a little bit more parallel here. Rolling front and back. Front and back. And then we're gonna go slightly internally rotated. All right, so we're getting that internal rotation. This is the outer quadricep muscle, your lateral quadricep muscle. Very good. And then if you found a place, like I found kind of mid quads, I'm gonna bend my knees and do a little windshield wiper here. And I'm not groaning on the outside. I'm groaning on the inside, okay? Just so you know, if you're in excruciating pain, just know that I'm there with you. All right, very good. Now go ahead and straighten the knees, and we're gonna get those IT bands, okay? We save the best for last. All right, now it depends on your roller. All right, if you have a black roller, I would recommend foot in front to support. If you have a lighter roller, a softer roller, you can stack your legs. And you can always bring the top foot in front whenever you need, okay? okay? So we're gonna get right up on that hip, and then we're gonna slowly roll forward and back. Okay, now creep an inch down, roll forward and back. That's it, creep another inch down, forward and back. I'm groaning with you, just so you know. I'm in a place where I'm like, oh boy. And again, oh my goodness, yep. That's the ticket right there, whew. And an inch down. Now when I go to the gym, I see people rolling up and down the IT band like super fast. Like they're skipping the important parts, right? You are in your moment. You are finding these places that, oh yeah, I need to get at those. You need to stay, hold, get transfers to the tissue in order to make some improvement. One more time, get to the knee. And then we're gonna roll up and down. So this is our rinse. See how slow I'm going? I don't have to go fast. You want to roll a little bit forward to get that seam of your leg. The IT band's really small. It's like a 3-inch width, okay? So you want to be able to get into it and not escape it by rolling too far back. Oh my goodness. Whew. All right, let's do the other side. Let's get that other IT band. All right, up to the hip. I'm gonna stack my legs, but remember you can do it with the foot in front. We start at the hip, we do that forward and back roll. I know, yowzers. Roll it down a little bit, forward and back. Yes, keep going, keep creeping down. Nice and slow. Wow. I'm gonna make a face because. And you know what? Like, I want to tell you that this gets easier with time, and it kind of does, but it's always going to be one of those things. You know what I mean? One of those things. So you just do it with me. You just turn on this video, do it with me. I am here with you. We could do it together. And then what you're gonna do here is roll up and down and rinse it out. Remember to roll a little bit forward. Yes. Oh my goodness. Very, very good. All right. Wow. Hopefully you felt that. So the IT band, it really does work really hard when you're sitting, it tightens. When you're walking, it goes forward and back on the thigh like this when you're riding a bike. So it's always good to check in with your IT band once or twice a week. Roll it out. It's good for helping tightness in the low back, tightness in the glutes, because it does connect to the glute. It does connect to the hip flexor up here. So that's why it's really important for us to roll it out consistently. All right, I hope you got something out of this video, and we'll see you soon. Take care.